Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 5.3 and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. Once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both the keys at the same time. Once you see the screen light up, let go of the power. And then overall let go of the rest of the keys once you see this screen right here. And from here, using volume keys, you want to select recovery mode and then confirm it with power key. Give it a second and you should see Android with no command, which we'll need to get past by holding the power key and pressing volume up once. So let's do it right now, like so. And now that we're in the recovery mode, again we will need to use volume keys to scroll down in order to select Enter Fastboot. Confirm with power key, and there we go, we are now in the Fastboot mode. Now from here you can reboot the device, which will take you back to Android, enter recovery mode, which will basically go back once, enter bootloader, which will go back to the first screen that we've seen after we turn off the device, and simply power off our device. And same as before, using volume keys, you will need to select whatever you want to accept here and then press power key to actually accept it. So, now that the device is, well, rebooting and going back to Android, this is basically it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.